What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best Gopro for motorcycles. I have made this list based on flash memory type, special feature, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition shines above the competition because it covers all bases. This package includes a 4K boost lens, which shoots at up to 60 frames per second, and 5.7K 360-degree lenses. Once you choose your point of view on the 360-degree lenses, you'll get footage that's around 2.7K and looks amazing. This model's modular design enables you to easily swap lenses, upgrade as needed, and replace broken lenses without buying a new camera. The included invisible selfie stick can give the impression that you're being followed by a drone when you use the 360-degree lenses. The flow state stabilization feature is good enough. Number 2. Akeso Brave 7 LE. If you want to test the waters of motorcycle vlogging, or you're on a tight budget, pick up the Akeso Brave 7 LE. This camera uses a 20-megapixel sensor, which can capture images and 4K footage at 30 frames per second. The dual-display model has 2 color screens, but only the rear is a touchscreen. The Brave 7 LE features 6-axis electronic image stabilization, EIS, which makes a noticeable difference but can't compete with the top models on this list. Part of what makes this such a great deal is all the extras included in the sale. You get a remote control, 2 batteries, a waterproof case, 9 mounts, 5 tethers, and 2 strips of 2-sided tape. It's IPX7. Number 3. Insta360 ONE X2. If you're only interested in capturing 360-degree footage, the Insta360 ONE X2 is the camera for you. This model's dual lenses capture 5.7K 360-degree footage or 2.7K footage when used as a Steadicam. The flow state stabilization feature does a good job of stitching the footage together where the 2 lenses overlap. This model automatically produces gimbal-like footage, but if you want to show your lean angle while riding, you can use the Steadicam mode. You could fit the ONE X2 to your helmet like a conventional action camera, but it's quite bulky and blocks your vision somewhat. Included in the sale is an invisible selfie stick, which you can mount to several parts of your bike. Number 4. GoPro Max 360. This is the all-singing and dancing GoPro action camera that will capture every detail of your motorcycle riding. It is a serious piece of kit and ideal for the motovlogging crowd. The selling point of the Max is the 360-degree capturing abilities. To do this, it uses 2 180-degree fisheye lenses, which capture anything in their direct line of sight. The camera then automatically meshes the 2 pieces of footage together automatically, so you have spherical footage to edit from the jump. When it comes to using it on your motorcycle, the Max is great for those looking to produce some serious action footage, maybe on a spectacular route through the mountain passes, or on the track. Number 5. GoPro Hero 7 Black. The Hero 7 is the oldest of the bunch now, but if you are looking for an affordable action camera, then it is still a robust, solid option that you can depend on. So the Hero 7 offers hyper-smooth stabilization software for all the action footage you can throw at it. Hitting the back roads on your track-ready Ducati? No problem, the camera will capture all the action of your bike leaning and compensate for some of that stiff suspension on normal roads. The Hero 7 was actually the first camera to get hyper-smooth software, and so it went on to lay the foundation for the later models. With that said, the Superphoto is a nice touch if you want to capture a selfie on your bike or a cool landscape. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you later.